good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Whenever this video gets to you, please accept the greeting. Okay? Now, if you are joining us, please let us share this video. Quickly share this video, please. Follow the page for those of you that have not been doing that. Follow the page, like the page. Okay, comment on it. These things are very, very important. Let us quickly do that. Okay, now how do we quickly describe the type of soil that we are to work with? Take for example, you just entered the office with the soil or geotechnical report on top of your table. Flipping through 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pages, and you got to a point, okay, where the bearing or ultimate bearing capacity value is stated. I mean, what can you say about the nature of soil from the proposed site where such a test was conducted and the value of the bearing capacity obtained? What can you say? Will you say the nature of the soil is a good soil? Will you say it's an average soil? I mean, will you say you are dealing with a poor soil? Will you say you are dealing with a bad soil? Let us get this thing straight. We don't know them. School is a scam. We went to school is a scam. All around the whole places. Oga, madam, what you don't know, learn. This video is a reminder, bringing information that we already know, that we are supposed to be conversant with every now and then. Now listen very carefully. It is very, very important that at this point you take things in your profession very seriously. Okay? When you discover that the nature or the value of the bearing or ultimate bearing capacity in your soil or geotechnical report is above 100 kilonewton per meter square, such a soil could be regarded as a good soil. Okay, you can say I'm dealing with a good soil if the bearing capacity is above 100 kilonewton per meter square. Again, if the value of the bearing capacity, ultimate bearing capacity, is between 75 to 100 kilonewton per meter square, let us listen please. These things are very, very important. We don't know them. If the value is between 75 and 100 kilonewton per meter square, we will say we are dealing with an average soil. That such a soil in the proposed site is an average soil. Again, when we have a value between 40 and 75, okay, the value between 40 and 75 is a poor soil. When the bearing capacity of a soil or its ultimate bearing capacity is between 40 to 75 kilonewton per meter square, such a soil could be a poor soil. Let us not forget that. If we have forgotten, this video is coming as a reminder. Let us not, you may be asked by a senior colleague, you may be asked to come and defend what the design you have done. What will you say? It's not enough for you to use Orion, whatever software you use in your design, Star Pro, ETAPS, and you cannot defend your output. It's very bad. It's not funny, my dear. It's not funny. Let us get the record straight, please, for the last time. Okay? And lastly, when such value in your soil report about the bearing or ultimate bearing capacity is less than 40 kilonewton per meter square, such a soil is a bad soil. Now, you want to ask, okay, what are the use of these values or this soil nature you just mentioned? Now, one of the factors that could govern your choice of foundation is bearing capacity. Okay, bearing capacity should be topmost. Before you look at the nature of the building and all that, bearing capacity could go a long way as to the choice of foundation at the end of the day. So one cannot say, I don't know the type of soil I'm dealing with. It's very bad. When you say 100 kilonewton per meter square, what do you mean? Is the soil a bad soil, okay? Is it a poor soil? Are we dealing with a good soil? I mean, is it an average soil? Let us get to remind ourselves of these simple things. Okay? That is what I have come to remind us today. Okay? That is what I have come to remind us today. It is not enough for us to be talking about go into the design. There are informations around the design process that needed to be clarified. Okay? Thank you very much and have a wonderful day.